What's up guys, Tech Central here with a $300 gaming PC build that'll be capable of playing any game you throw at it, such as PUBG, Fortnite, and any other games in that range. I'm averaging about 1080p, 60 to 70 frames per second, depending on the games you play. But before I begin, I want to let you know that all the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box in the order that they appear, so it's easier for you guys to find them. But with that being said, let's get on with this video with the case. The case I want is the Roswell Micro ATX Mini Tower Computer Case. This is a $25 case. I actually built in this case, and I can tell you it's pretty difficult for cable management, but other than that, it gets the job done. For the power supply, I want the EVGA 450W BT 80 plus bronze certified power supply. This is currently going for $40. This is a really good power supply for this build. For the motherboard I want is the Gigabyte GA-H110MA LJ1151 Intel motherboard. This is going for $45 on Amazon. And I paired this motherboard with the Intel G4560. This is a $65 processor. This processor is a dual-core processor that is clocked at 3.5 GHz. This is a really good processor for anybody that's on a budget, and it goes well with this setup. For RAM, I want the Ballistic Sport LTA 4GB single DDR4. This is currently going for $45 on Amazon, which is a really good deal. RAM prices have been skyrocketing, and this is pretty much the best deal I can find. It is clocked at 2400 MHz, which is really good. I couldn't get 8GB because, well, it would be around $90 to $100, and I couldn't fit that in the build. For the hard drive, I want the Seagate Pipeline HT-ST3 500. This is a 500GB hard drive that is clocked at 5900 RPM. It's currently going for $24 on Amazon, and it'll pretty much get the job done to store all your games and data. And lastly, for the graphics card I want is the EVGA GeForce GT 1030 Superclocked Edition. This is the 2GB variant. This is currently going for $77 on Amazon, which is not the best deal, but it's pretty good. It's clocked at 1290 MHz base, and the boost clock of this is 1544 MHz. This is a really good graphics card that will handle games like PUBG, Fortnite, and all of those other games in that range. Don't expect to play GTA 5 at 1080p maxed out. You'll probably get around 30, maybe 40 frames per second. But yeah, this is a really good budget build for around $300. Prices will fluctuate depending when you're watching this video. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, bookmark my Amazon affiliate link, and use it when you buy stuff. And I will see you all in the next video.